Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sounds on the Ludo King game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Ludo King game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken through the main menu after you complete the tutorial levels. Once you gain access to the main menu, if you wish to turn off sound within the game, just tap on the gear icon at the top left corner alongside your profile picture. This will now take you into the settings page, underneath which you will see the audio option. Just tap on the speaker and the music icon, and this will turn off the sound effects as well as the music within the game. After this, when you go back and start your game, you will notice that you are not hearing any more sounds or music. You can come back to this menu at any point of time in order to turn these settings back on by simply tapping on the buttons. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off sounds within the Ludo King game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.